Do it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm really close to the...
Hopefully you guys can hear me through the wind noise today, but we got a special package from Bad Taste Worldwide. Is that the proper name? Okay. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. They sent us some shirts, which I actually just found out about 5 minutes ago. So that's pretty cool. They got the pink ones, white ones, and I'm assuming there's just double of them for Nikita and I. But now, what is magical is that they sent out mystery boxes, which are these two things right here. Now this is each a mystery box, but I got one, Nikita got one. So we're gonna open one up and then install it today. So Bad Taste Worldwide and a Lumisthetic.
Oh, there goes the box.
So what we got is this horn. Now this horn, I believe, has special features, I've been told. So should we give it a quick little test run?
Yeah, let's pop the battery off this.
No, we're not gonna show you guys what the horn sounds like until it's actually installed. But we got a button right there because I don't actually have a horn button. So this is a temporary solution.
Ha! Perfect.
I think it went a little big.
Don't talk about it. I need more double-sided tape. This double-sided tape sucks, Nikita.
No, it's really good. You just have to fucking know how to use it.
I don't know how to use it.
How does one use double-sided tape incorrectly?
First, you wipe down the surfaces. Secondly, when you're handling double-sided tape, you wear gloves. Thirdly, you use a tiny pick to peel the corners off so you don't actually damage the tape. And then that shit will hold 100 pounds.
If you're wondering, kids of YouTube, this is how you use double-sided tape.
I don't need your lecture, Nikita. Oh, he doesn't
like
get that
you do.
joke. But this is Haggard. I mean, sorry, that's the wrong channel.
God damn it.
Okay, so I'm not taking any credit on this install because it's pretty much Nikita, Adam, and Angel all doing the work over here. Adam, Angel, Nikita. Nikita graciously zip tied the horn all the way up over here. Ran this wire back. So we got the positive hooked up to the positive off of the alternator. What is this blue one for?
Positive for the switch.
Okay.
It's a pretty horny setup you got there.
Yeah, it's a pretty horny setup. And then the green wire is going back for the signal. Is that right?
Yep.
To the switch. Let's go to the switch. Or the button, I should say. So the button is over here. And it just has that green and blue wire running over here. Do you want to film their reactions?
Oh my god, this is bad.
Just kidding.
No, don't do it. Please don't do it. It's my neighbors.
It's your neighbors?
Yeah.
Just send it, dude. Adele, just send it, dude. You sent it last night. Let her close at least.
Fucking do it.
Do it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm really close to the...
I'm hiding. I don't want to be seen right now.
Sorry, should we play one more time, Nikita?
Yeah, there's one coming, yeah.
Okay, do it.
She's unfazed.
The unfazed, couldn't even hear it.
Was that what was in the mystery box?
Yeah.
What a pleasant surprise.
Alright, so if we look at button here, look at it. So we can just keep pushing it like... And that's the full loop.
DJ Adele with that
DJ
offbeat
Adele
horn.
remix.
Now we gotta take it on the streets.
Yeah, let's go.
Take it down the streets.
I
We should
wonder-
just we should just drive up and down the street. Every time we see somebody, we just hit it.
Gosh, dude.
Hey, Taka.
Alright, so now we're going to be giving away this horn because as you can see I just went off track right there and then the horn ripped off on the car. So if you're ever at Apple Valley Speedway, formerly known as Grange, you can go dig around in the sand over there and hopefully find this horn.
Church service ended a long time ago.